Most businesses outsource their business and IT needs, primarily to cut costs. But when choosing TeckPath, it is not only about cutting cost, but also about reaping the benefits of strategic partnership, such as accessing world-class talent, reducing overhead, flexible staffing, simple hardware rollout process and deployment, increasing efficiency, reducing turnaround time, and eventually generating more profit. As a small to mid-sized business owner, president, CEO, or CFO, you're always worrying about growing your business, staying ahead of your competition, and most importantly, increasing efficiency and productivity. To help solve that, we stand by these three pillars: transparency, excellence, and strategic partnership. Why do we call ourselves your strategic partner in business and technology? We provide fixed costs that help control variable costs, which can result in significant savings. Reliable solution designed to increase business productivity. Get access to world-class talent, industry-leading military-grade security, proactive maintenance, and forward-thinking approach. Complete peace of mind to focus on what you do best. Do you feel your business has outgrown your technology? Then you need to get in touch with TeckPath today and get back on the map as a forward-thinking company you once were. TeckPath, your strategic partner in business and technology.